Just take a look at this goodness, guys. Can you imagine what this would do to your hair? Welcome and welcome back to another hair treatment video. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to make rice hair masks. And as you can see, I started off by washing my rice to get rid of all the dirt. And then I went ahead to boil it just like you boil it if you're going to eat it. I made sure it boiled till it was soft just to help with the blending process. And then I went ahead to transfer the boiled rice into my blender, and I added a little water to help with the blending. So guys, rice is really good if you are trying to grow a very healthy hair. Like, we all are already familiar with the benefits of rice water. Like, a lot of people have used that to grow their hair. So rice hair growth treatment is not new to many of us, as we have used it severally. So after blending, this is what I got. Can you see how creamy this is looking? So I am just going to make sure I go ahead to strain this, because you don't want to end up with particles of rice in your hair. I added a little water to my hair mask because the consistency was too thick. But if you're the type that prefers thicker hair masks, then you can leave it without adding the water. So if you want it to just go directly into your applicator bottle for easy application, then I advise you add a little water, but don't add too much, because we are also going to be adding other liquids, so you don't end up with a watery consistency. Over here, I'm adding my DIY hair growth oil. I am going to be leaving the links to all the oil that I use in this video in the description box, so do well to check it out. And if you've watched this video to this point without subscribing, please kindly click on that red subscribe button, and do well to like this video so that YouTube can push this video to other naturals who are looking for a way to make their own hair treatment without breaking the bank. So I went ahead to add coconut milk to this hair mask, because I want this hair mask to be very nourishing and just like improve the overall texture of my hair and like condition my scalp and all those good stuff. So you can see what we have here right now. I'm going to go ahead and mix everything. Just take a look at this goodness, guys. Can you imagine what this would do to your hair? Like, this is going to do so well on your scalp, your strands. Is going to help you condition your hair and just help you improve the overall condition of your hair. So guys, this treatment is for a friend of mine who I'm currently treating her hair. Like, I've been treating her hair for the past 4 months. So This hair mask is for her. I am not going to be showing the application method because she is not comfortable coming live on the channel, so I am just going to respect that. So guys, the application method is not really hard. It's just the same way we have been applying our hair masks. I have other videos of how I apply it, so just go through my videos and you'll find other application method. And guys, that will be all for this video. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to share this video to your friends on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, and just let them know that there's a channel that can help them grow their hair without doing so much. Until I see you all in my next video, guys, stay safe. Bye guys.